Hi, my name is Maribel Tikinsena. I am one of the church leaders in our Daily Bread community in Dayap Church. So this is our project for our community. Life is good when life has light. As urbanization is currently being worked out throughout the country, many places now are utilizing different types of technology which can help lighten community life as it is the center of commerce.
Para din po sa mga kabataan na nag-aaral at mga empleyado at mga kababaihan, mahalaga po sa amin ang magkaroon po ng street light para po maiwasan po yung panganib at sa safety na rin po namin. Kaya po, nagpapasalamat po kami sa LG at kayo PHI sa pagbigay niyo po sa amin ng street light. Salamat po!
At buong puso kaming tumatanaw ng utang na loob sa LG sa pagbibigay niya ng street light namin. At maraming salamat po sa LG at KFHI. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
Ang akin lang po na kasi masaya po kami na magkakaroon kami ng ilaw kasi masalo sa madilim dito sa aming lugar na masala doon banda. Kasi yung mga anak namin nag-aaral, minsan naglalakad, nag-aalala din kaming mga magulang na masalo madilim yung kanilang dinadaanan.
And right now, I am standing beside this LG solar streetlight post. And right now, you can see here the LG solar streetlight post. And yes, we already completed 35 solar streetlights for our community. And indeed, it helped us a lot. And yes, for this project, our purpose is to make our community safe as well as for us to conserve the energy. And through this project, we knew that we achieved those goals. That's why we are truly grateful for LG as well as for KFHI for giving us this opportunity. God bless you and thank you.
Muli po kami nagpapasalamat sa LG at sa KFHI dahil po sa solar lights na ibinigay niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat.